this video, I'm going to play some more Thunderstorm Hermione. The Forbidden Forest car just had this in there for me this morning, so I was really happy about that because the first legendary Echo I pulled was Hagrid, and I have like no interest in playing Hagrid whatsoever. So it's the same deck as before. You're cycling in order to make the most expensive spell in your deck cheaper. And so that's what we have: the Nebulous, the Broomstick, and the Apugno. Broomstick can also carry the Apugnos to the opponent. And then we have the Copy spell, so we can just keep spamming spells. We can get Time Turner, Copy Time Turner. Confringo is really good for clearing the board. So that way the Thunderstorm is actually hitting the opponent like we want, and since we're already spamming spells, this gets cheaper whenever you play a spell. So we basically get a really cheap summonable that's, you know, pretty tanky. And then we of course have the Hermione companion card, copies your spells. Has a 10-second cooldown, so you can open up with like double Thunderstorm. Then we of course we have Ron, which is insane, to clean up the mid game, and then I'm just ending with Hagrid in case I need some extra life, and also it has +2 levels from this Echo, so that's why it's in there mostly. So let's see how it goes. I am nowhere near as proficient with this deck as I am with the Neville deck, so I'll probably get bodied. I might need to add another card besides Confringo to clear up the board because there's so much bombastic bomb spam out there. People start with the twins a lot, or Malfoy. There's a lot of Pixies and a lot of Madagar, and it's just a lot of the same stuff. Yeah, when I see a plain name like that, I just kind of assume it's a bot. But yeah, especially when I see this Master of Magic stuff. So hopefully I can get it.
Brilliant. Now
see? See?
I'll get you.
How do we aim this thing? Oh, there's just a Pixie like right in front of me. While she's alive, I want to see if she has a Pugno available.
Pugno.
Nope.
This isn't what the book said.
Still a lot of damage. Just doing this to heal myself. I know it can see me. Maybe I'm supposed to be hiding myself better.
Thunderstorm. Confringo.
I can do it in a high flow. All right, everyone. We're in this together now.
Confringo. Confringo.
Sorry.
Nebulous.
I tried my best.
Apugno. Thunderstorm.
Starting to wear him down a little bit.
Confringo.
I was really worried it didn't hit anything just then.
Nebulous. Apugno. Incendio.
There.
Time. Thunderstorm. Confringo. Nebulous. Confringo. Apugno. Cornish Pixies. Apugno.
should have played any spell and then did that.
Confringo.
Oh, come on!
Okay, this one has like the little fancy border, so maybe it's a person? I don't know. Master Magic thing. I don't know. Game's been out 3 days. Globally, that is. I'm just gonna cycle a Pugno, probably.
Expulso. Nebulous.
Brilliant!
Thunderstorm. Nebulous. Time.
Just get this over with!
Expulso. Apugno.
Oh, this isn't what the book said.
Nebulous. Sectum Sempra. Three-headed dog. Confringo. Thunderstorm.
Now you're in trouble.
Pugno.
I'll give you this.
A Pugno is just a fantastic, cheap, damaging spell, right?
Time.
It kind of feels like a person.
Three-headed dog.
Go with the puppy.
Sectum Sempra. Expulso. Apugno. Nebulous. Thunderstorm.
I'm just gonna wait out the thunderstorm.
Nebulous.
I'm gonna play my thunderstorm.
Time.
That's what I waited for.
Confringo.
All right, everyone. We're in this together now.
Pugno. Three-headed dog. Thunderstorm. Second Nebulous. Pugno. Thunderstorm. Time. Pugno. Expulso. Time. Second Sempra. Thunderstorm. Three-headed dog. Time. Expulso. Pugno. Sectum Sempra. A Pugno. Confringo. Nebulous. Thunderstorm. Time. Thunderstorm.
Goodness. Adam is definitely not a bot. Let's see.
A Pugno. Time.
I think Thunderstorm is the last card in my rotation.
Now you're in trouble.
Confringo.
Brilliant. More time for preparation.
That's really unlucky.
Brilliant. I'll get you for this.
It might be okay though.
Nebulous. Time. Corners. Pugno.
what the book said. Oh, this isn't what the book said.
Nebulous. Stack of monster book. Confringo. Three-headed dog.
Oh, I didn't realize it was dead. I was trying to throw out the dog before it just charged me again.
A pugno. Cornish pixies.
Oh, all right, everyone.
That's enough reason
We're
for
in
me to
this
do that.
A pugno. Nebulous. Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm action.
Confringo. Nebulous. Cornish pixies. Nebulous. Thunderstorm. Confringo. A pugno. Nebulous. Stack of monster book of monsters. Cornish pixies. Time turn. Confringo. Pugno. Three-headed dog. Nebulous. Second Emperor. Thunderstorm. Confringo.
Oh, right.
Time turn. A pugno. Cornish pixies. Confringo. Nebulous. Nebulous.
There. Well, I think that'll do it for this one. It's I keep trying to click the interface with my mouse. It's so awkward. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's a certain deck you want me to see, or a deck that you think is cool or something, just put it in the comments. I'll check it out. Really need some more echoes in this game, man. I hope that some more get introduced soon. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.